Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have problems with playing videos on your Instagram app, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, and also first thing, just check your internet connection. So just try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. So just reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps too. And if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you too, just go to the general, just tap on software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you have here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And also, if you still have this problem, just go to the general again and just find here shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so just try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store and just write in search tab Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, so it means that you have available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.